Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick video. If you're facing slow and lagging issue on your Windows 10 operating system, in this video I will show you 5 quick methods you can apply to fix this issue. So let's start. With our step 1, click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option, then click on this privacy option. Now on the left side scroll down and then click on this option background app. So these are the background applications which are currently running. So turn off all the background applications. This is your step 1. Move on to step 2. Right-click on your taskbar, then click on Task Manager, then click on this tab Startup. So these are the startup applications. Disable all the startup applications one by one. Simply right-click on it, then click on Disable. So disable all the startup applications one by one. This is your step 2. Now delete all unnecessary files. Press Windows +R and type temp. Click OK. Select these all file and delete them by Shift+Delete. This is your step 3. Now again type Window +R and this time type %temp% and then click OK. Select these all file by Ctrl+A and delete them by Shift+Delete. This is your step 4. Now adjust performance. Move on to our final step. You can try if your PC working very slow. You can apply this method. Click in this search bar, then type View Advanced System Settings. Open it, then click on this Advanced tab in the Performance column. Click on this Settings option. Now here you have 4 options. Select the third option, Adjust for the best performance, and click Apply and click OK. That's it. After that, restart your system and you will see a big change. So these are the 5 steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.